What if I told you that you could buy England? Or that you could own a private mansion on the coast of France, in the Middle East? In 2003, Dubai announced the most arrogant project in human history. They didn't just want to build a building, they wanted to build the world. They poured millions of tons of sand into the Persian Gulf to create 300 artificial islands. From space, it looks exactly like a map of Earth. The goal was to sell each country to a billionaire. Rod Stewart bought Britain, and there were rumors that huge celebrities were lining up. It was supposed to be the ultimate address on the planet. But just as the islands rose from the water, the world economy collapsed. The 2008 financial crisis hit Dubai harder than almost anywhere else. The billionaires who promised to buy the islands lost their fortunes overnight. The construction stopped, the dredgers turned off their engines, and the world was left abandoned. For over a decade, most of the islands sat completely empty. But then, something worse happened. Reports started coming out that the islands were eroding. The sea was taking the sand back. The channels between the islands started clogging up. Instead of a luxury paradise, the water became stagnant and murky. One island, bought by a business tycoon for $28 million, led to a lawsuit where he claimed the world was literally washing away beneath his feet. Today, if you take a boat out there, it is a ghostly sight. Out of 300 islands, only a handful have anything built on them. The rest are just barren piles of dirt, slowly dissolving into the ocean. It cost $14 billion to build the world. But it proved that even with all the money on Earth, you cannot fight the ocean. The map is still there, floating in the heat. But it isn't a home for billionaires. It is just a monument to human hubris.